Critical library mismatch involving the Tscfgwmi DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. I've linked the primary utility for Tscfgwmi in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Tscfgwmi, the Remote Desktop Configuration WMI provider. It facilitates the unmanaged management of RDP settings via WMI scripts, mandatory for enterprise admins to programmatically configure remote access manifests across a server farm. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like Tscfgwmi.dll and restore stability. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Tscfgwmi, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Tscfgwmi.dll, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes Tscfgwmi library guidance. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Tscfgwmi was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.